and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
When you're backpacking, you might find yourself in remote areas where paths aren't well marked, or there might be no paths at all. Being able to navigate is essential to keep from getting lost. This can mean knowing how to use a map and a compass, understanding landmarks, and even learning to navigate by the stars. These skills can help you find your way safely and confidently in the wilderness. A survival kit is like a small bag that has all the things you might need in an emergency. This could be things like canned food, bottles of water, medicine for if you get sick, and tools that can help you do things like open cans or build a shelter. Your survival kit should be easy to grab and carry, so if something happens and you need to leave your house quickly, you can take it with you. Many plants can be used as natural remedies for different health problems. Some of these plants, like aloe vera, chamomile, and lavender, can be easily grown in your garden. If you know about these medicinal plants, you can use them to treat health problems when regular medicine might not be available. This can be especially important during uncertain times when access to doctors or pharmacies might be limited.